Okay. What's the first ingredient, Bella?
1 kilo beef.
All right. What's the second ingredient?
Beef cube.
The third ingredient is?
Chinese cabbage.
Yes. And the next ingredient is?
Sweet corn.
And the next ingredient is?
Cheese.
And the next ingredient is?
Yellow onion.
Cut into? Wedges?
Yeah.
And what are these things in here?
Peppercorn.
And
fish sauce.
And fish again. All right, Bella. So we've got 8 cups of water in the pot.
Here.
And the pot is already steaming. All right, and what's the first ingredient we're going to put in?
Yellow onion.
Okay, let's put the yellow onion in nice and gentle so it doesn't splash. And put the lid on.
Oh my god.
Okay, Bella, what's the next ingredient we're going to put in? Black peppercorn?
Black peppercorn.
Okay, so take the lid off.
It's so warm. Like that?
That's okay, put it down like that.
It's slowly gentle.
Don't touch the pot, okay, because it'll burn you. Okay. So they're in there now.
Yep, yep.
Okay, I'll take that. And you put the lid back on.
Okay.
We're going to cook this for 3 minutes.
3?
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah, so we'll come back in 3 minutes. All right, Bella, what are we up to now?
To let the onion boil and the pepper boil for 3 minutes.
For how long?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Action.
Next, we're gonna add the beef. Do you add all the beef?
Yes.
Next, we're going to put the lid back on and let it boil.
Okay, now we're going to let it simmer for 1.5 hours so that the beef comes real tender. Yeah, Bella?
Yes.
Okay, we'll come back in 1.5 hours. So right now I've got it boiling on a real gentle heat. So it's just making some bubbles. And if we can see the flame, it's just on really low. But yeah, so it's just boiling. We're gonna be leaving that for 1.5 hours. Okay, so we've been boiling this now for 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
And the next step is to... What's the next step, Bella?
To put in the corn into the pot.
Alright, let's do it.
Ow.
1 hour later.
So I've underestimated the size of the pot that we required, so I've had to transfer it to this larger pot because it was pretty much, if you look back, I'll show a video now, it's at the rim. So this one now is still got a bit of room because we still have the cabbage and the peas to add. Okay, Bella, what's the next step?
We're going to add the green beans.
Okay, let's do it.
I'm seriously going to use this again.
Yes.
All at a time.
Okay, Bella, what's the next step?
Now we're going to add the fish sauce.
Alright, let's see what it looks like. That looks like tea.
A little.
A little bit. All right, let's do it.
So like this.
All right, we're gonna clean this up. Yeah. Mm.
It's one of Australia's leading and oldest regional art. The botanical garden, walking the
The homicide squad is now investigating. They'll be overseen by the Professional Standards Command.
It looks legit.
For death in custody.
Looks like we have to cook rice for lunch or no?
Yeah, for sure.
Forwards from Birmingham.
The last time an Australian won the 1500 metres, the year was
It looks so yummy.
Give it a taste test, Bella.
history with one of the game's gutsiest performances.
Is it soft? Is it easy to eat? All right, give me a thumbs up. And now try this. And now try the soup with the spoon.
Jubilation from friends and family watching from afar. Run or walk, Australia had
Blow it, because it'll be hot.
taking out the 10,000 metre women's walk. She's a little star, she is. She's a double Commonwealth Games gold medalist.
Thumbs up. Oh, 2 thumbs.